So here we have a Mosquito racket. The problem with this is it was shorting here, and the battery is okay, everything is okay, the circuit is okay. I've already checked that. Now we're going to open this. Because of the kinking of this wire, there has been shorting. So we'll open it. I've already opened the screws to save time. All these 5 screws, like so. And then with the help of a blade, we can pry this open. So with the help of a braid, we are prying this open, and we remove this cover. There's a plastic frame here. We'll remove this. So this mesh is attached to the negative wire. We will clean this with the help of our sandpaper. The middle mesh, it is attached to the positive terminal. This also we will clean at both ends so that the intensity of the current is improved. Next we'll take out this frame, and this is the last mesh. Here it is bent at different areas. We'll clean it up first. And then we'll straighten it up with a rolling pin or anything round, or you can use a hammer also. So I have this metallic rolling pin. Actually this is a UV lamp casing for RO which I've preserved, and I'll use this to flatten it like so. On the other side as well. So now it's almost flat. Now we are going to attach it back as we had opened it. So we'll put this first, then we'll put this frame, then the positive mesh or the live mesh, and then again we'll put the frame, and finally the outer mesh, which is having the negative terminal, and the outer frame like so. So I'll place it back. So now we have packed it back. You see there's no kinking in the wires now. There's no bend in the wires. It's all straightened up. So now we'll check, we'll test it if it's working fine. See how nicely it's working. So that's all folks for today. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Bye-bye.